Email marketing is nothing new and alive for the last 20 years. According to HubSpot, 99% of the consumers check their emails every day. And today, most of the consumers want to connect with their favorite brands through email. And they want a personal touch, which we can give only through email or SMS marketing. According to a study from the Litmus, we can make $42 when we spend $1 in email marketing, and that's much better than the other marketing channels. Story of the marketing tool GetResponse is the same. It is also more than 20 years old but not recognizable as it needs to be. If anyone tells me to suggest the one best email marketing tool, then without any hesitation I will recommend GetResponse. It's best for you, either you are a blogger or e-commerce or a website owner. What makes GetResponse best over the others? We can create a landing page and also conduct the A/B testing over a large number of pages. We can create sales funnel from landing page creation to checkout. We can even accept the payment through different payment integration, so we can rank it as a number one in every aspect except automation, because there's no match for the active campaign in the field of automation. You can do things you do not imagine, but it doesn't mean that we can't create great automation with GetResponse. Let's discuss all the features one by one. First is template design. GetResponse is great in email template design. They are providing hundreds of already built templates. Even you can add the images free from thousands of stock images. That means you don't have to first search, then download, and again upload the image. It saves a lot of time. Their templates are also responsive to all screen sizes. What devices your customer has doesn't matter. So your customer can clearly get all the information you're trying to feed them. Next is segmentation. Success of the email marketing depends upon how personalized content we can feed to the customers. According to the HubSpot marketers who segment their email marketing campaigns, noted as much as 760% increase in the revenue. If we have a huge list of the customers, then it may become a headache to send personalized emails to all of them. GetResponse segmentation is working with tag and custom fields. Tag is something like someone click on the link. In the custom field, we have the value, means how many times user click on a particular link. So we can easily separate the users on the basis of their level of engagement with the emails. We can do that with the ConvertKit or MailChimp. Using these tags with visual automation is quite easy in the GetResponse, and with the help of web event tracking, we can easily do the segmentation of the audience on the basis of their page visits or how they interact with the website. But they lack one feature of manual tagging a particular subscriber in the list. With an active campaign, we can accomplish that. And now coming to the automation. Nowadays, email automation or chatbots automation helps us to generate leads through conversation with customers while we are asleep. Once we fully set up automation, we don't have to write an email to every single subscriber. And GetResponse comes with the visual automation editor. That makes it easy to create complete automation for your campaign. Mainly, two steps you need to focus on are the conditions and actions. You can set up conditions provided by the GetResponse like open messages, abandoned cart, purchased, visit a link, and many more. And you can also include the tag and scoring to set conditions. Like you want to send a message only when someone visits a page either 4 times or above, or open an email more than 2 times, etc. or whatever. So after setting the condition, it is time to choose the action, and in the action you can choose from move and delete contacts, or you can wait for some time and then send a message to that contact. And GetResponse automation is the easiest to use in all the autoresponders available in the market. If you want to take automation to an advanced level, then you have the best option, that is ActiveCampaign. But ActiveCampaign is a tool not for every user. If you have a very large budget and number of audience, only then we would recommend you to use the ActiveCampaign. Coming to the A/B testing or split testing, if you are familiar with the Facebook or Google ads, how we optimize the ads, we test different ad copies and select the winner which performs best. And in an email campaign, it's also necessary to have A/B testing, and otherwise we can lose the customer we hardly got. GetResponse provides us some space to test, and we can simultaneously test up to 5 variations, like its competitor Aweber, which can only test up to 3 variations at a time. And some of these variations we can use for split testing are heading, timing, body text too. So it will automatically find the winning combination of subjects, body text, and the best timing to send an email. Talking about the form builder. If you are familiar with any drag and drop website builder, then you can easily understand that how easy it is to develop a form. GetResponse is providing a drag and drop capability to create a form. We can pop up these forms anywhere we want to show on our website. You not only drag and drop different elements or fields, but you can also customize the color, size, and angles of all these elements too. If you have a good knowledge of HTML or already have an HTML code of a form, you can create with the help of that too. You can integrate this with your WordPress or other CMS websites to collect emails too. Talking about integration, you can integrate the GetResponse up to 178 apps. We can't list all of these over here, but some of them are Shopify, PayPal, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Zoho, Zapier. And GetResponse has a great win over the ConvertKit here because we can only integrate up to 70 apps with ConvertKit. Now coming to the final thoughts. If you're an entry-level e-commerce business owner or a blogger having a large audience, then this is the best solution for you. I intensively used some other softwares, but I believe GetResponse is all-in-one product for you. It's the best option for Shopify users. And you can try the free trial of GetResponse through our affiliate links given below in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with us for more online marketing tutorials and updates. Thank you.